Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you don't already have one, it might be time to consider getting a power socket wrench. Let me tell you why. Recently, I had to do some major repairs on our car, and I quickly figured out I was going to need more than just my socket set. So I picked up this power wrench by KIMO, and boy was I glad I did. Of course, it helped me for all of the bolts. And if you think that's being lazy, I would ask if you own an impact driver or just a screwdriver. But it was tremendously helpful in tight spaces where you can only move a socket wrench a couple inches, as well as while working above your head while laying on your back. I like the case as well as the few sockets that they included, which happen to include 10 and 14 millimeter, which is what I use the most on my cars. The wrench uses a squeeze trigger with variable speed as you squeeze it, and this allows you to use it from any angle or even when you have an awkward grip on it. The direction of the wrench works like any socket wrench I've ever used before, so it was very simple. I really like that they include 2 batteries, so you can always have a battery charging while using the other. No one has time in the middle of a project to wait for a battery to charge. Overall, I'm really pleased with this power wrench. I'll probably use it most of the time I need a socket wrench. I think you'll like it too, but that's just my point of view.